Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss how to write a program to find single number. Given a non-empty array of integers, nums, every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. You must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. So here they have mentioned clearly that I have to use only linear time complexity, that is big of 1. And I should not take any extra space. So here they have given an array as 2 to 1. So here 2 occurs twice and only 1 occurs once. I have to print the output value as 1. And when I go to second example, 4 appears once, 1 appears twice, 2 appears twice. So 4 is the output value. When I have only one element, that is output value. So here we have to solve this particular question. So the logic is pretty simple. Let's take the array 2, 2, 1. So here, when I look into this, we can solve this problem with bitwise operators. So when I say bitwise operator, we can use XOR operator. The reason why, because, so let's take this, okay. According to AND gate, okay, if the inputs are, if any one of the input is false, the output is false. So here both are false, so I'll have false. So here 0 represents false, 1 represents true. So any one of the input is false, the output is false according to AND gate. So if both the inputs are true, then I'll get my output value as true. Now when I go for OR, if any one of the input is true, I'll get my output value as true. So here both are false, so I'll give false. So one input is true, I'll give true. Fine. Now let's go for XOR. According to XOR, if both the inputs are same, I'll return false. See here, both are same, I'll return false. If both are different, I'll return true. Both are different, I'll return true. So here, when both are same, I'll give 0, that is false. So when I perform XOR operation of these two, I'll have 0. And when I perform XOR operation with 1, I'll get 1. Because this is a different number. 2 and 1 is a different number. So when the inputs are same, I'll get 0. When the inputs are different, I'll get 1. So let's take binary value of 2. That is 0, 0, 1, 0. Now again binary value of 2. 0, 0, 1, 0. So here I am performing XOR operation of these two numbers. So that is, the output will be, both are same, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now I am going to take this one and I am going to perform XOR operation with the result. So the value is 0, 0, 0, 1. Now when I perform XOR operation, what is the value I will be getting? 1, 0, 0, 0. So the output will be 1. This is the logic behind this. Okay. Let's take one more example, that is 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the input value that we want. Okay. Okay, let's take the input value as 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is what they have given. Now I am going to perform XOR operation for 4 and 1. So 4, the binary value of 4 is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now binary value of 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1. The result is nothing but I have to perform bitwise XOR operation for all the bits. So 0 and 1 is 1, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 1, 0 and 0 is 0. So here I have got the result value as 5. Now with this result I have to perform XOR operation with 2. So what is the binary value of 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. Now I have to find what is the result. So the result is 1, 1, 1 and 0. So here the binary value is 7. Here I have got the binary value is 7. The result what I have got, I have to perform XOR operation with 1, the next result. Okay. When I perform XOR operation with 1, I'll get my result as 0, 1, 1, 0. So the value is 6. Okay. Now with this 6, I have to perform XOR operation with 2. Okay. So when I perform XOR operation with 2, let's see what is the value I am getting. Okay. So here 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 0, 0 and 1 is 1, 0 and 0 is 0. So the decimal value of this binary representation is 4. That's all. This is my final answer. So here 4 is a one number which occurs only once. Other are the number which occur twice. So here the logic is pretty simple. when the inputs are same, I'll result in 0. So here 1, when I perform XOR operation with 1 and 1, 0, 2 and 2, 0. So remaining I have only one number called 4, that will be my output value. Okay, so let's try to write the as a program. The logic is pretty simple. What I'll be doing is, I'll take a for loop. Before which I'll take a variable called result. Okay, I'll store the array first value. The array first value is nums of 0. Fine. Now I'll be taking a loop. So when I'm taking a loop, what I'm going to do? I'll start the iteration from 1 onwards. I'm not going to take from 0 because already we have taken the value 0 and that has been stored in the variable result, right? So I'll start from 1. I'll iterate up to nums.length and then I'll increment my I value. So here what I'll be doing, I'll take result is equal to result XOR the array element nums of I. That's it. Finally, I'll return the result value. That's it. This is the logic of the program. Let's try to implement this in complete code. So first thing is I'll take a variable called result. I'll initialize the nums of 0. So first array value will be taken, that will be stored in the variable result. Then I'll take a for loop. I'll start my iteration from 1 onwards. Nums.length I plus plus. So here what I'm going to do, result equal to result XOR nums of I. That's all. Logic got over. Finally, what will I do? I'll return the variable result where I'll have the unique number. Let's run the code now. There is an error. Let's look what is the error here. Sorry, it's nums, not num. That is why it is showing an error. Let's run once again. Is it passes the test cases? Let's submit the code. Is it passes all the test cases? That's all.